Have you heard about QR678? Hi, I'm Dr. Amulya, consultant dermatologist in Vtiara Hair and Skin Clinic. It is an advanced treatment for hair loss. It is derived from plants and it is a biomimetic to the growth factors which are present in the hair. So how is QR678 done? It's a minimally invasive procedure. It's a 10-minute procedure. It's virtually painless. There is direct injection of the growth factors to the scalp, therefore causing hair regrowth. It shows around 90% success rates. It is patented in USA and India. So who are the patients who will benefit from QR678? Patients suffering from female pattern hair loss, male pattern hair loss, age-related hair loss, chemotherapy-induced hair loss, PCOS-related hair loss, and alopecia areata. So if you are going to be beneficial from QR678, come for a personalized consultation at Vtiara Hair and Skin Clinic.